This segment of Coast Life is sponsored by the Parker Group.
Well, when it is time to put your house on the market, you don't want any surprises, and that is where our friends at the Parker Group come in, where transparency is everything to you guys. We've got Rachel and Dustin Parker joining us, and part of that process of being transparent, you guys really you've really changed how real estate works a lot, certainly locally here. What is sort of the current process that you are on in terms of changing that and making sure that people know what numbers they're up against?
Yes, absolutely. So one thing I always like to tell people is really there's two prices that any house goes at. And so in a buyer's mind, when they look at that list price, what they're imagining is that means there's a house with no issues there. And for them, what they're going to do is after the inspection, they're going to be taking money off for every ticket item that they see that needs to be fixed.
Okay.
The seller's mindset is usually the opposite, kind of like, this is where I want to walk away with selling this at this price.
Yes.
And so what we've been thinking about is how can we make sure that sellers hold on to more of their equity throughout the process? As anyone that owns a home knows, you work really hard to maintain your equity, to take good care of your house, to do features and upgrades, and you expect that that's going to pay off when it comes time to sell.
Yeah, absolutely. You would hope so. And I do think people, you put so much time and life and effort and money into the home that you have lived in. And I think people sort of feel, you don't want it to feel like a car, where it loses money as soon as you drive off the lot.
Absolutely.
Yeah, I mean, it's your biggest asset. Most of your money and most people's net worth is tied up into their primary residence. And so you certainly want to protect that. And then when you go to sell it, you want to make sure that you have the information to sell it for the most money possible.
Yeah.
And I think that's really where our home intelligence report comes in.
Yeah.
Because we do a full inspection of the home. We collect a ton of data, an unimaginable amount of data on the home. And then we put all this together and we actually score each system in the house. And so you can see how the structure of the house is, how the HVAC system of the house is. And then we give you recommended repairs. And if you want us to, we'll actually take care of those repairs for you as part of the process too. And so the goal is really to maximize your upside with the sale of the house. And also then to present to a buyer the best possible house that it could be so that they can move in with that certainty and that peace without having a laundry list of things to do as soon as they get there.
Absolutely.
I mean, when you think about it, it makes everybody's lives easier because from the buyer's perspective, you don't have to worry about all the things that you now have to take care of after an inspection has been done. And from the seller's point of view, it's easy peasy. Everything is as straightforward as it can be.
Absolutely. And they know, like, if I list my home for this price, most likely we're going to be selling at this price. And there's not going to be a huge, like, oh, the entire roof needs to be replaced. And now I've got to knock thousands of dollars off the price to account for that, or fix it, which also will cost thousands of dollars.
Yeah. And Dustin, you said upside. And I feel like one of the biggest upsides to this home intelligence report, it's free, right?
It is
Absolutely.
free. Yes, yes. and one of the most dreaded terms in real estate, I think, that people don't think about so often is the term as is. Because when we see that as real estate agents or as buyers see that when they're looking at different listings, then the assumption is even if the house is perfect, what's wrong with this house?
Exactly.
What don't we know about this house? And whatever that as is price is, that's just the starting point for negotiations because we're assuming that there's a ton of things then that need to be fixed. And so we want to solve that problem really for sellers and for buyers. We want the as is to really be something exceptional that they can move into with confidence.
And it brings up a really good point. A lot of sellers say, you know what, I don't want to deal with repairs. No matter what comes up on the inspection, I still don't want to deal with it. At least then you know that you're pricing it as is and you're aware of the condition and everything is disclosed. And at that point, that can truly be this is the price and people aren't going to negotiate downward from it.
Right. And then a buyer goes in knowing that, hey, if this is maybe the project that I want to tackle, this is the price and this is, whatever money you have on hand to fix that up is up to you. But if folks do want to utilize this service or, other ways that you guys really break the whole process down so that everybody is crystal clear on pricing and what your home is worth, how should they go about getting in touch with you guys?
Yeah, the best way is just to go to our website and it's getready.theparkergroup.com. You can visit any of our offices. We have offices in all 3 counties, or give us a call anytime, and we'd be happy to help.
Yeah. Is there anything else that you want people to know about your home intelligence program and, really what it does for folks that are ready to sell their home?
I think the most important thing is obviously today everything costs more money, gas is more expensive, eggs are more expensive. We've really set it up so that it doesn't require any money out of pocket for people. So the intelligence report is free, even if you don't move forward with us. That's a free piece of information that you have. But if you choose to do the repairs as well, we front that cost and get reimbursed at settlement. So it really is no money out of pocket at a time when you have a lot of expenses when you're moving, and so we try to make it easier.
Yep, money is tight, stress is high in those moments, and you guys don't want to add to any of that. And I know it's a relief and a weight off of people's shoulders.
Absolutely.
Well, as always, thank you guys for being here today and for what you're doing and changing the game of real estate. I know it's making a difference.
Thank you.
Of course. We got more Coast Life to get to, though. Charlie and I have some more yapping to get to when we get back.